Beardsley-Chamberlain with Rinnai. I am just here in my basement wanting to show you how simple it is to hang one of our tankless units. It can actually be done with just one person. All of our units come with a mounting bracket, okay? And so what you will need is 4 screws, and it depends on what you're actually screwing into, that's what you'll be using to as the screw. And then it's just a simple level that you need, okay? So that's all you need to get started, as well as a drill to help, and we'll get it going. Okay, so now we have the 4 screws in there, the clearances are all met, and there you have it. You can see that it's level, and we're ready for hanging. And there you have it.